Hey everyone, I'm Jackson Campbell. I graduated from Sequoia in 2011? 2011, yeah. I'm going to University of the Pacific in Stockton, and I'm a biological sciences major. Dorm experience is actually pretty fun. The transition for me personally was actually not too hard. I immediately just dove right into it and had a lot of fun with it. You meet everyone you're living with in dorms. They're all usually really cool. You have some fun times there. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. On the flip side of the same coin, I got used to living out on my own and doing my own studies pretty well. What I did not get used to is cleaning up, as I said, cleaning up my own place. Me and my roommate, the classic story is me and my freshman year roommate. Our room was literally split down the middle. His side was like really neat and clean, and mine had like clothes and books and like old plates everywhere. It was pretty.
How did you guys get along since you were so different?
We coexisted well together. We managed to get along well as roommates. We kind of had our own group of friends. We did our own thing, but we were able to live together pretty well. And I cleaned up when we needed to. So, I'd say the thing I like the most about being in college is just the kind of freedom, the independence you have there. There's opportunities everywhere to do something. I've dove into everything that I possibly can do so far. I tried out and joined the rugby team. I'm in Theta Chi fraternity right now. I'm trying to get started on working on a research project next year. So there's opportunities everywhere if you go looking for it. The independence I love it. It's funny when I go back home. I go back home and I'm not used to oh wait, there's a curfew now. I have to keep my room clean. What is this? As far as managing time, I would say it takes a lot of discipline and a lot of time management. Something else I would say you should work on before you go off to college is work on time management and work on discipline kind of thing, because it is very easy to get distracted and lose track of what you're doing. For example, I've learned I cannot study in my own room, because the second I get in my own room and get on my computer, I'm immediately on Facebook and YouTube and College Humor and stuff. I have to go off to the library or my own, we have our own study hall that I go to. Well, I kind of knew I wanted to go into biological sciences while I was actually still here. Especially when I started getting involved with ACS, I knew I wanted to go into research to help find ways to cure these things.
What's ACS?
American Cancer Society, sorry. I knew I wanted to go into research to help find cures for diseases, so I figured the best way to do that is go into biological sciences, and it worked for me because I really love biology. So, well, I'd say Sequoia was fun, but I will say college has been probably the time of my life. So be on track to go to college. It's going to be a blast.